Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. As you know, if you've been watching some of my other makeup tutorials and videos, that I'm on a search for a nice dewy hydrating foundation that is good for women who are a little older. As I mentioned before, older women should not use too much matte makeup on their face. So today we're going to be trying out Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. So if you want to see how this is going to come out, stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed yet, press that little red button down there and click on that bell so you could get notifications to continue with me on my foundation journey. Alright, so the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, it says is a dewy and smooth foundation, and it has SPF 18 sunscreen, and it's for normal to dry skin. And I have this in the color 310. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put my, I wasn't using that primer. I'm going to put my Get Primed face primer on that I get from Sally's Beauty. Just going to rub that over my face. As you see, I didn't put too much other makeup on because I want to be focused just on the foundation today. And how do you like my new headpiece? A cucaracha, a cucaracha. I'm a Chiquita banana and I come to say I got this from Amazon. I guess it's a Chinese company, and if you're interested in getting something like this, I'll leave the information down below in the description box. It's just something you could use when you want to put your hair out the way, or if you're going on vacation, or actually some people would probably know how to fix this up real good with an outfit and look real good in it. I know people with pretty brown reddish skin that this would probably look really nice dressed up. Alright, so that's about primed. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I'm just going to dampen it with some water. I'm going to shake up my foundation. I'm going to actually apply it to the brush, the Real Techniques beauty sponge, because it's pretty, it seems pretty liquidy. Let's see. I wish I had used a brush to spread it around. As I said, it seems pretty liquidy. Oh. But it's very spreadable. And that one little pore seems to be covering my whole face. I know this is not a new foundation, but as I said, I'm on a foundation journey to find that dewy, hydrating foundation. I have basically normal. I used to have normal to dry skin, but now I think it's just normal. So I don't have any problems with any blemishes or oily skin. Okay, so I pretty much spread it around my face, and I'm just going to blend it in. I like it. And what I'm going to do as usual is I'm just going to put a little more on the tip so that I could go over my under eye area once more. Oh, spilling on my shirt. Because this is so liquidy, I suppose it would go a really long way. Ooh, it's liquidy and wet. I know someone who used this same foundation and they said that it oxidizes, but whereas most foundations oxidize into a darker color, this person said to me that it oxidized into a lighter color, so we'll see what happens. It looks kind of pretty. What do you think? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and put on some concealer and put my powders on and my blush and maybe a little lipstick so we could come back and see what it looks like, okay? Be right back. Okay, so here we are. Except I didn't put my setting spray to blend all of the makeups together, so I'm going to shake that, and I'm just going to use my RX Too Faced Hanover RX spray, setting and priming spray. And I've been using this a lot recently because the other setting sprays I have are matte, so I also have to get some more dewy sprays, setting sprays. So let's just spray this. We're gonna let this dry. Oh gosh, somebody must have picked up my fan and put it somewhere else, because you know I always keep a fan on hand. And it's a beautiful fan. Somebody took my beautiful fan. All right, well, let's just do this. I have to locate it. It's only one person who would take it anyway. You know who you are. Okay, so what do you think? Once again, this is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, Dewy and Smooth in the color 310. Comment below and let me know what you think of this foundation on my face. I think I got a pretty good color as well. I just want to know what you think about how it actually wears on me. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button, because as time goes on and the summer's coming here, we're going to have some good stuff to share. So, I will see you next time. Mwah! Love to you all. Bye-bye.